my tongue-licking turkey chili.
This is all you need for this recipe. Really simple, really easy. Let's dig in. We have a pound of ground turkey. Let the meat cook for 6 to 8 minutes until it's chopped up nicely and it's nice and golden brown. Then you want to add your onions, peppers, and then your garlic. And then you want to stir this until everything is cooked down nicely and the onions are nice and translucent. Okay, so now that we have the vegetables nice and softened, adding the tomato paste, your chili powder, because what is chili without chili powder? You want to stir this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the paste is nice and caramelized. Wow, what fragrance. We're now going to add our crushed tomatoes, add our beans, and now we're going to add 2 cups of water with a little more olive oil in it. We're going to bring this to a boil, like this. And once you have it at a boil, you want to cover it and then lower the temperature so it can simmer. Depending on the temperature, it could be about 25 minutes. That smells so good. You've got your soup in the bowl. You add some scallions, some cracked black pepper. So good.
Yay! Ian, my only note is start with the big pan, baby. Start with the big pan. You started in the little pan, and then you moved to the big pan. I'm like, why didn't you just do it in the one pan?
Well, you know what? Rach, I didn't think it was going to be that much. And then it kept growing and growing and growing. But thanks to you, I have all sizes of pans. So it was very, very easy to do.
So
hey,
it
Rach,
was
listen.
easy to flip it. But you know what I love about this is there's the double protein. You're using, I assume, ground turkey breast, very lean, or ground sirloin. You can buy 85 and 90% lean as well. But you can also use plant-based substitute for that, of course, as we all know. And you're doing this double protein and boost of fiber with the beans. I love that.